Hello there traders, good and welcome back into the channel. In today's video guys, I'll be showing you how you can navigate through trade locker and how to link your trade locker with the Profem. I showed you guys on how to get your 10k evaluation account. If you haven't watched our previous video where I showed you guys on how to get a free Profem account, a 10k dollars Profem account, go watch our previous video. I'll be adding this video to the card, and also check the show me down below. You also see the link to this video guys. So I'll be showing you how you can link this Profem with your trade locker, because this Profem doesn't work with MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 guys. So stick with me to the very end of this video. I'll be walking you step by step on how everything works here, and make sure you join our Telegram channel, link at the show me down below, where I drop free signal for you guys to create your Profem account, personal account, and no deposit bonuses account guys. If you are new to the channel, hearing my voice for the first time, you're welcome to give it a first. This is a channel upload forex educational videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon so you get notified by YouTube whenever an awesome video like this is dropped guys. So without taking much of your time guys, what you have to do, you just have to go straight to your Play Store, search for Trade Locker, and you have it here. So I already have Trade Locker installed on my phone. I just have to open it. Now once you open it, you need to sign up with the Profem guys, and once you sign up with the Profem, they will send your login details on an email. They will send like 3 emails. So one of the email will come with your login details guys. So just stick with me as I'll show you how to log in on Trade Locker using your credentials. So many of you guys are coming to my DM complaining, boss, I can't log into my Trade Locker, blah blah blah, this and that. First, once you open your Trade Locker, it will take you here guys. So you need to switch it to demo. Now it will be on live. You get, so you just have to switch it to demo. But if it's on demo already, where you see this stuff here, just have to leave it like so. Here you can see, you can switch it to live, and here it's on demo already. So you just have to go to your email. Now once you go to your email guys, I already have this email here. So this is one of the email where you receive where you receive your login details. Here it says get ready, let's get you funded. You get, so you just have to scroll down. Once you scroll down a little bit, here now you can see my login details. So guys, I'll be covering some information here because of some security reasons. So first you go back to your Trade Locker. Okay, you put your email. You get, just have to put your email here. Okay, my email is Intel. So once you input your email, what you have to do next, your saver, you get, copy this saver here, go back.
2,000 years later.
Excuse me. Once you copy this saver, you just have to go back here, impute everything. You get, impute yourself here, and the next thing is what, your password. So you just have to copy your password from the email you are seeing here. Once you copy your password, go back. So once you input your email address, your password, you just have to do what, click on where it says login. So here we have what, login. So once you click on login, it will load and take you to your Trade Locker account. As you can see, here is our Trade Locker. It's just like TradingView, but I think this is very difficult to navigate, but don't worry, I'm here to help you guys navigate through the whole website. As you can see here, I already have some running trades here of about $163 here. You get the concept. I already have some running trade there. So guys, I played some random trade last week, I think, last week here to test this platform, so I can come here and show it out to you guys. You get the concept. So now once you open your platform and you want to place your trade, if you look down here, you have what, you have your sell, and here you have your buy. Now to search for any pair you are looking for, you just have to click on here. You get, as you can see, this is USD/JPY chart, and I'm running a loss here on this trade because I just placed a random trade on what, USD/JPY, so I can show you. Meanwhile, I have 2 trades running, GBP/USD and USD/JPY. So but overall I'm in profit. You can see it here. So what you have to do, you just have to do what, click here. So you just have to click here where it says USD/JPY. You get, once you click on USD/JPY, you can search for any pair of your choice. Let's say you want to search for GBP/USD, just search for GBP/USD and you see it here. Then click on it, the chart will open. Once it opens, so once the chart open here, you still have what, your buy and sell down here, like so, your buy and sell. And here are your trading what, here are your trading tools. You get the concept. Here are your trading tools, your trend line, you get your Fibonacci, your drawing, your text. You get the concept. So So the next thing you have to do now, if you want to see your trade, you get the concept. If you want to see your trade, you just have to do what, to click here where it says trade. Then here you can see what your running trade, and here you can also see what your profit and loss, and here to choose your pair, here to change your time frame. You get your 1 minute time frame right now, and here for indicators, here for your tools. You get the concept. So to do that, you just have to do what, to click on trade. And once you click on trade, you can see here I have 2 trades running. You get, I have GBP USD running $150. I have USD JPY running $43, guys. Now to modify your trade, maybe to add your TP and SL, what you have to do, just click on it, click on where it says edit. Now under here you have what, your copy ID, you have your edit, you have your partial close, you have your full close. So you can close it all, or you can edit it, or you can copy your ID. So I just have to click on what, edit. Once I click on edit, it will take me to my chart. Once it take me to my chart, I just have to do what, to do drag and drop, guys. So first I'll change my time frame here. Okay, now once you change your time frame, you can see what we have our SL here, and we have our TP here. You get the concept. So you just have to do what, just have to click on where it says SL. Once you click on SL, now once you click on SL, just have to do what, to drag it. You get, since I'm selling GBP USD, I just have to do what, to drag it to any point. You get the concept. So you just have to do what, to drag it to any point. You get any point at all you want to place your SL, and after that you leave it there. If you want to add your TP, okay, click on TP, then you can drag it down, let's say around here, and after that you do what, you click on confirm. We have what, we have confirm here. You have confirm down there. You just have to do what, to click on confirm. And once you click on confirm, everything is set. You can see this notification, your take profit set around here, blah blah blah. You get. So that's it. And let's check the USD JPY. You just have to go back to where it says, you get, come back to where it says trade to see all your running trades. Now you can see we still have GBP USD running $169 profit, and USD JPY minus $30 profit, guys. Now to close your trade, what you have to do is very easy. You just have to do what, to click on the trade you want to close. If you want to close partially, you want to take partial close, no problem. If you want to close full close, just have to click it. So I'll be closing this trade right now. So I just have to click on it, and what happened, you see this notification on my screen now. Then you see those notifications on my screen. So that's it. If you have any question, you can comment down below. You get, if you have any question or anything you want me to still break down, just comment down below, and I'll make sure I make it up to you guys. You get. So I think that's all for this tutorial. You get, just have to do your analysis on TradingView or MetaTrader. Come here to place your trade, because I don't think this is a very good platform to do or to analyze. You get, I don't think this is a good platform to do your analysis. But before I go, I just have to add what, SL to my USD JPY trade. So let me add my SL here. I'm already running minus $26, so I just have to let it run. You get the concept. So I'm buying. You get, I'm buying. I just have to do what, to add my SL. Maybe somewhere around here, like so. And I do what, click on modify. Okay, so thank you very much. You made it up to the video. I do really appreciate it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification icon so you get notified whenever an awesome video like this is dropped, guys. Peace, and see you in our next video.